Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your Ellipal X card. This video will show you how to set it up with just one card, and it will be the setup with creating a new wallet. If you want, you can watch a video on recovering wallet as well as a video on setting it up with two cards, because there is the X card duo available where you get two cards and you can set them up both as a backup. Now, what's important here is that this video will show you the whole setup process, and also the recover video will also show you the whole setup process, so you don't need to worry about that. Now let's get the X card starter on, because this is the X card starter and it has to be on in order to work, right? You need to have it generally. So let's turn it on. If it's discharged, of course, you need to charge it with a USB-C cable, preferably with the included one because it always works. If you don't know the charge level, you can go to options with the down button. There are buttons here, right? Go with down button to options, then select this button to go in here. You'll see the battery charge. You can see it's fully charged here. So now let's go back. There's also a passphrase. I'll explain that in a different video. Let's go to create wallet. And also what's important here, once your wallet was already set up, you can still create it again. And so like make sure that your wallet is always like, make sure that you haven't set it up earlier, and if you have and want to set it up again, that you have your recovery phrase written somewhere safe, because creating wallet again will basically erase the previous one. Go to create wallet with the OK button, then insert your Ellipal card Titan here with the chip facing the screen like that. Put it in all the way in, then keep the card until it's finished. Then select seed phrase option. You can select 12, 24 or 18. I will select 12 just to make it faster for me, but for better security, it's better to have the 24 option. Now click on OK and set a 6 to 16 digit card pin. You'll have the first digit selected right now. You can move up or down to change what the first digit is. I will set it to something simple, but of course I'd highly recommend setting it to something more complex. Click on next to go to the next symbol. You can see it shuffles. You never know which is the first symbol that lands, and it's helpful for additional layer of security. Now let's go to the next one. As I said, I'm setting it to something very simple, but make sure that you are setting it to something that's hard to guess and easy for you to remember, but you can forget it as long as you have the seed phrase written somewhere safe. I'll talk about the seed phrase in a moment. Now, once you have the approve button, you can either approve it or add another digit. Now I will approve it already, then confirm it. And let's approve it. Now click on yes if it asks you if the wallet exists reset. It basically resets the wallet that existed here before if there was any. Then there will be the seed phrase thing. And make sure that you back it up somewhere that you never lose it, because if you lose it, you'll lose access to your money. It's explained in other videos on our channel about this device, so you can watch them if you don't really understand what seed phrase is. And it's the best to write it on a piece of paper. There is a little sheet included in the box, but you can also get like metal sheets for that or whatever. Just make sure that you don't digitize it, so don't take a photo of it, because later on it won't make any sense for it to be a cold wallet once you just take a picture of it, because it's on your phone, which has internet access. So make sure you've written it somewhere safe. Also, don't do it in a room with cameras. Now let's like it's worth reading everything here. It's creating the wallet. You can see the thing doesn't take long. Just click on OK. If you need a duplicate card, click on yes, but I'm gonna click on no with the back button. Of course, there is a video on the 2 cards setup. Now let's back up the seed phrase. So let's go through all of that, read it, and go next. And I will show you my seed phrase, but only because I will never transfer any funds into that account. And it is very important that you also don't transfer any funds if you share your seed phrase. So don't share it, because that makes it, once you share it with anyone, they can access all your money. Now let's click on next and write it down on a piece of paper, like the first 6 phrases, then go to next and write them down as well, because you'll need to verify it anyway, so like, you know, the wallet is sure that you haven't just skipped that part. Now I had the 12 phrases, so I can just click on OK. Now confirm the seed phrase. So it asks me for the first word. I'll see what it was. Okay, my first word was dynamic. Let's go here. As I said, remember, never share your seed phrase with anyone. Now the 5th word and the 11th word, which is danger. Okay. Now I can remove the X card. Let's remove it and click on OK. I've created 1 card. Click on next. Now connect it to Ellipal app to proceed. So let's get the Ellipal app. If you don't have the Ellipal app, just download it. The setup process of the app is very, very simple, so I won't be showing you that. If there's like any profile that you want to log in, you can do that, but basically once you download the app, you just have this, right? And select cold wallet. I'll turn the brightness a little bit down. Okay, select cold wallet. Now select X card. Now connect X card and enter the pin that you've entered. See how the pin here is shuffled? It's also for security. Let's submit. Now scan your card with your NFC tag on your phone. So on iPhones, it's somewhere at the top. You'll see when it starts scanning. Okay, it failed. Let's try again. I'll need to re-enter it. On Android phones, it may be somewhere lower, like around here. Okay, I'll just do it again here. Okay, I'll try to fix it. Shouldn't really happen. Okay, you can see it's scanning. Shows in the app. The connection has succeeded. I can release the card. Select which coins I want to use. You can change your choice at any time. I will select Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and Bitcoin is selected by default. Now the card is connected, and you can use it now. And your Ellipal X Card starter won't be needed anymore unless you want to recover your wallet later or do something else similar. So that will be about it for the video. I hope that the video was helpful. Feel free to check out other videos on our channel, as well as like and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.